Word up. Give me that real quick. Two.
Yeah, baby. Albuquerque, New Mexico. Are you having a good time tonight at the I Love the 80s concert or what?
Happy birthday to you and OG. Y'all share that. Y'all, much love. Y'all my relatives. Oh shit, they done gave me. I said, oh shoot. They told me keep it PG-13. Hennessy make me feeling bad. Tell me stop drinking. Rolling in that drop top drink. What's that I'm thinking? How many Tupac riders we got out here tonight? You know where I'm getting at.
Hey, yo, Church, we all the way out here in Albuquerque, New Mexico. Easily 7,000 people in the building tonight. I know you had more love than that for Tupac Shakur, man.
I'm proud of things for you right now, little bro.
One shot for Tupac. What?
When I drink, you drink. When I smoke, you smoke.
Say what?
Go on my Instagram, I'm getting crucified for riding for you for 26 years. And they telling me I'm going too hard on these haters that's hating on you. But guess what, bro? Loyalty has no expiration date. This ain't food, this ain't milk. I'ma ride you and mourn you till I join you. And when I come to Albuquerque, New Mexico, you come to Albuquerque, New Mexico. Where my 505 at? How many Tupac riders we got up in here to know?
Let's go! Where my Tupac get around. Put a two in the air. Somebody say Tupac. Say Tupac. Louder, say Tupac. Let me hear you say Tupac.
I'm gonna let you introduce this next one, little bro.
Machiavellianist, Illuminati, all through the body. Blows like a 12-gauge shot.
Somebody in the place, sing it.
Come with me.
Sing it.
Hey, guys, sing this one. We got
Sing it.
wild into the wave.
Do you wanna ride it out?
Louder,
Come with me.
Up top.
Hell yeah, nigga, walk with me. What do we have here now? Do you wanna ride it out?
Sing.
Mexico, Mexico.
If you had more than 3 drinks tonight, put your hands in the air. Somebody say yeah. Say hell yeah. Say I love the 90s. Sing along.
With so much love in the Albuquerque, it's kinda hard being Snoopy or Double G, but I somehow, some way keep coming up with funky ass hits like every single day, man. Kick a little something for the G's, make a few ends as I chill in the morning and the morning still jumping 'cause I'm on my own.
I got some queens in the living room, and my flight ain't leaving till
6 in the morning.
Flight ain't leaving till
6 in the morning.
Flight ain't leaving till
6 in the morning.
We're New York, we're East Coast, we're Brooklyn, we're New York, we're social media haters out there, because for over 20 years they've been asking me how I'm going to play my brother Tupac tribute every show, then play Biggie. Because first of all, because I can. Because it's my show. And second of all, Tupac introduced me to Biggie. Pac was my brother. Biggie became my brother when he introduced me. Don't look at the media and think what you see is what everything is true. I'm gonna keep it short. Anybody out there, keep your circle tight. Because people gonna hate on you or your brother or sister because they not that close to you. I'm gonna die on it because I ain't get a chance for Pac and Biggie to sit down because they was gonna sit down. Don't let nobody get up in there and hate and divide and conquer, man. We all one tribe, man. Anybody that hates you, get rid of them immediately.
Hey, Trent,
Yes, sir.
we also just lost another legend.
Another one. Then they gonna say why I'll be giving props to my other homie, because he is our homie. Tell him, K.
Can I show love to another legend?
You better show him. Because Pac loved him too and was about to fix the queen. Prodigy, Live Beat, MLBB up here.
So all
Rest
the
in
killers and
paradise.
$100 bills.
Put your hands in the
The
air.
real niggas who ain't got
We
no
on the
feelings.
I ain't scared, homie. I'm gonna be the next one they take. I ain't
Check
scared.
it out, man.
I ain't scared, yo.
I
We
got
all
you
one
stuck
tribe.
with the realness. We be the infamous
Murderers. I'm a
official
queen breed murderers. R.I.P. Rest in paradise and poetry. Prodigy.
Keep that up there real quick.
We
so I
all
can take
one
this picture.
family. We one tribe. Throw your hearts up, man. Don't never disrespect the dead. And don't never let nobody get in between your circle or your family because they mad because they not close to you. And they want to divide and conquer and hate on y'all beautiful love for y'all family. Jewels dropped.
And on that note, since we on this is considered the West Coast, right? Oh, of course it is.
It's West Coast, it's a part of the Midwest, it's a part of everything gangsta in here. They look at all my family. And they say they're gonna try to build a motherfucking wall, excuse my language.
Well, anyway.
Well, we gonna jump over the wall, cause they ain't leaving my Mexicans out of nowhere. Ay, Dios mío, coño, man, te amo!
Well, you know what? I'm not leaving my West Coast homie out either.
Cruising down the street in my 6'4", jocking the flicks, talking the dog. Went to the park to get the scoop. Knuckleheads out there, cool shoot. Fresh El Camino rolling kilo G.
Where's Julio at? That's my
It's all about the boys in the hood are always hard. If I'm talking the trash, we'll pull your car. You want nothing in life but to be legit.
Rest in peace, OG, Eazy-E. If y'all look at Hip Hop Parade video, he's in there with us, jumping out the MPV with a water gun, spraying them up. That's when you saw Straight Outta Compton, when he went and talked to Ice Cube to get NWA back together. We took him over there to New York to meet with him, because they was going to fix it right there.
Grown man talk, man. Are my 70s and 80s babies in the building tonight or what? Well, I got a question for y'all, man.
Ask him.
How many people are down with the old school? I need you to go louder. I said, how many people are down with the old school? Somebody say,
Oh, so the jail pictures when you go to the jail.
I said, how many people
Yeah, I better go to jail to see my relatives that's locked up now.
Hey, somebody say,
School. Y'all remember this dance?
Walk it out, y'all. 1, 2, and out, you don't stop. 3, 4, we about to give you more. Say ho. Say hola, hola, hola.
Te amo.
nigga. You don't stop talking to the
Bang, bang, boogie, down, jump the boogie to the rhythm of the boogie to beat.
What you hear? Not a touch, I'm rocking the beat. Where the party at in here, man?
It's up top, yo. I see him, too.
Who you see? I am. What the mic and I. Hello.
White, red, and the brown.
The purple and yellow.
40 years ago, they said hip-hop was a racist music. Did you just hear what they said 40 years ago? This is for the black and the white, the red and the brown, the purple and
Yellow.
they even got props to the Smurfs. They gave props to the purple.
Let's ride, y'all. Let's ride, y'all. How many people heard of Ice Cube? If you heard of
Hollywood, he got a song on Hollywood.
Just waking up in the morning, gotta thank God. I don't know, but today seems kinda odd. No barking from the dog, no smoke. And mama cooked the breakfast with. I got my girl phone,
Assalamu alaikum, no hope, wallahi.
Gotta call from
Sing
the
it,
girl,
y'all.
wanna dig out. Hooked it up for later.
All my people up top. Sing along.
I gotta go, cause I got me a drop top. And if I hit the switch, I can make
Ass drop.
I had to stop at a red light, looking in my mirror, not a jacker in sight, and everything is alright.
Who you got?
Got a beat from Kim, and she can fuck alright. Called up the homies and I'm asking y'all,
Which one?
are y'all
Playing basketball with his different nuggets hands.
court? I'm in trouble.
Hey.
Last week, fucked around and got a triple-double. Freaking niggas every way like MJ.
I gotta say,
Today was a.
thank you, God. Anybody that missed the show, tell them today was a good.
We're gonna keep this party started, y'all. Everybody in the place to be. Let me see it, y'all. Come on, clap your hands. Wanna just clap your hands. All you up top, clap with it. If you got ready to rock, clap, come on.
You got to feel it, ready for some of my gotta go live it, live it, live it. Listen, I'm on it, listen.
I just hit you.
Hit with the ears, I'm missing with your members in the glisten like the water. What's the move with this word? Some words with nerve, they better not say the word.
Damn, you heard, man, you
I'm
heard.
in front of China Hill. I'll be so full of Billy, I'll be suckers, get silly, yes, I'll even
Somebody in the place sing. So here we go now. Holla if you hear me though. Come and feel me flow.
Never mix it with tricking mothers, but you that ain't taking the
That ain't
beat.
taking to me hitting. Get written on.
You're like a fat bad platter, boy, you're pissing me off. Boy, you even started, so what, so long, see you fly by my side. House, gonna
Put your hands in the air, y'all. Like this. Here we go now. Holla if you hear me though. Come on, sing.
Here we go now, holla if you hear me though. The flow, poetic chorus, cause only you better know as the way the flow is on point.
Like that, some more.
Man, hand the new partying with the super. Looking for the big and poo-poo.
I thought you knew too.
Some sounds, him and the gym and the Bobby playing in the gym. We bust with a party and with your might spit. And even me, you're a fan again. I wanna know who's the man again.
Knock,
Boys back like further praise words that here I hope. The way I show, the way I flow. Steady making to the boogie, so main time.
In the party over here. Put your hands in the air.
Here we go now, I love you.
Come on, somebody
I
sing.
see you. Here we go now, I love you. Here we go.
Sing. Here we go now. Holla if you hear me though. Come and feel me flow.
Sing.
Here we go.
I see you on top.
You hear me though. Come and feel me flow.
All we wanna know is everybody wanna party is the pool tang.
For everybody. Albuquerque, New Mexico, you know what time it is. Everybody, put your hands in there. Let's go.
Everybody come on stage. Come on stage. Everybody come on stage. Everybody come on stage. Everybody.
You drew the picture of my new name. Check the limit. My name.
Hey.
You know the picture.
Come on stage. Everybody. Everybody come on stage.
Come on stage.
This ain't got shit to do with shit. Boo boo, I say.
funny reasons. Even when I'm sleeping, you think I'm cheating. You said I know you, Mr. OPP, man. Yo, PP, man. You only see me, man. You should have knew when I ain't hit it and slapped that I was ready to pick, not to consider the rap. I did your partner cause he's out of sight. Cause I'm naughty by nature. You were hard in the corner, I'm a partner to the partner. He said I act like some really big business. Even though my name's graffiti written on your head. I love my women on white, and 50 seconds away. They saw the family to play. We want to thank everybody for coming out tonight. We hope you enjoyed yourselves. If you're celebrating the 4th of July and had a good time tonight, put your hands in the air. Put your hands in the air and make some noise. Thank you. Everybody get home safe.